Exciting news, my wreath making friends. The Christmas Green Monster Wreath Kits are now available in my Etsy shop. Last week, the majority of my Etsy shop orders were surprisingly Christmas wreath kits, so I wanted to be sure that I let my YouTube channel friends in on all the goodness. When you order a wreath kit, you'll receive a work wreath form, the wreath sign, pre-cut deco mesh, and a ribbon bundle. I've got several styles of wreath kits available, as well as completed wreaths for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and every day. I'll leave a link to my Etsy shop in the description of this video below. Be sure to watch this entire short video for a sneak peek of all the things you'll see behind the doors of my Etsy shop.